Guys, do you need a little bit of horsepower under the hood? Yeah, who doesn't? So here's the deal. Check out my brand new brand, Horsepower Sweepstakes. This is our second giveaway. Here's what you get. Vortech V1 Supercharger kit, AFR 185 heads, Holley System Max intake, and an Anderson B31 Supercharger cam. And just because it's the holiday season, I'm also throwing in a LMR $250 e-gift card to help out get everything installed. So hit Horsepower Sweepstakes, grab your key tag to get entered, and we just may be sending you a whole lot of horsepower. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're losing one of the children today. Kind of a sad day, but kind of not. So let's go. Yeah, kind of bittersweet, I guess. I mean, I guess we're kind of sad to see it go. It's just been sitting here for
2 years.
2 years, yeah.
2 years.
Yeah, I think January is officially 2 years, but time to go. So here's the deal, guys. The Bimini blue car has been sold to a gentleman in Ohio, and he's taking it with him. Guess we're not gonna do anything with this one, which is fine. Like I said, it's been sitting here 2 years. It was time to do something, and so we've got to get this thing back rolling. If you guys remember back when we picked this car up from Jennings down in Memphis, it had the Hellion turbo engine, was junk, and basically we stripped it all down and had the engine bay shaved. And ever since then, it's just been sitting here, but it's heading off to a new owner today. But the problem is it's being shipped, so we've got to get it back rolling. And as you can see, it's not rolling. So let's get this thing, we're gonna get a drug out of here, get this thing back rolling again. All right, progress. Okay, what are you doing?
Oh man, working kid.
We got it.
Good work, son.
It's dangling. Just barely.
Trying to put it through, Jeremy.
Yeah. We may need to jack up on the back of it.
Well, they had some braces or something there that they had to cut off when they got the car. So
it had that Maximum Motorsport
yeah,
K-member brace.
Yeah, they cut all that out. I guess when they did the turbo.
Yeah. All right, boy, there she is. From not a car to a car. Got it all put back together. So yeah, guys, saying goodbye. I thought long and hard. I wanted it. I thought long and hard about buying this car, but it's just too many irons in the fire. But this is a very nice car. If you don't remember how nice this thing is, yes, it's a little bit apart, but this is a very nice car. So yeah, boys, she'll be getting gone pretty shortly, but got some other updates on the Capri, so let's check it out. All right, I promised you the Capri would be back, and guess what? She's rocking tailpipes. Yes, we don't have the hangers just yet, but got the tailpipes on her. Damn, it sounds good. But we've got another addition for the Capri. Let's check it out. All right, boys, so here's the thing. Center caps getting swapped out. My good friend Tom Clark at Sennis Built on Instagram, hit him up. He makes these custom center caps for these style wheels, and Dover about to do the honors.
Yeah, look at her.
Look, and what's really cool is all I did, let me get it right here and show him. All I did is send Tom this emblem that's on the dash, and he freaking matched it perfect. So now the center caps match that. Yeah, we gotta wipe them down a little bit. But all right, guys, we're about to get these things on here. These are gonna look, it's like the crowning touch to the cool Capri. No, we'll give it another rev or two. God, the Capri is freaking loud.
That sounds big.
I love it. Sounds just like my car. Yes, sir. it, car's done. The final touch on it. Hell yeah. Alright, we're gonna get these other ones on. That looks money though. Really finishes the car off. There it is. Oh, we got a leaf on the wheel. But the cool thing, like, I don't know if you can tell, these aren't just flat. They're actually got a kind of a edge to them. Oh, they're freaking nice. So hit up Tom Clark's Son It's Built in on Instagram. It's like the perfect touch, and he can basically do anything. She's officially got the details handled. What do you think, dude?
I love it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tom. Thanks.
This is so badass. All right, boys. So that's pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Like I said, I hate to see it go. I'm not gonna like to watch it leave either, but oh well. Can't have them all, but yeah, we got plenty of other stuff going on, so keep it tuned here for that. And I guess that'll be it for today. Get you guys on the next one.